Hello everyone and welcome to Cook and Bake with Samir. But today we were getting ready to get on our Alaskan cruise. We spent about a day and a half before in Vancouver, and I'm going to show you a couple places that we've visited. We stayed in Richmond, British Columbia, which was close to the airport and close to a lot of things that you can do around Vancouver. We're at the Queen Elizabeth Garden Park in Vancouver. It's a very nice, beautiful walk, even though it's raining. But you put an umbrella on, or you carry one, and you enjoy the view, the greenery, the relaxation. This would be a good place if it's not raining to sit down here, grab some lunch or snacks, and look at the view. Beautiful, huh? Look at that. Very nice here. If you also come a little bit this way. Very nice, very relaxing, enjoyable. And look at this tree over here too. There's another park with a very nice view. And here are part of walking between the greenery and all the trees, all the things that are planted over here. Oh, look at that here. There are no signs of what you're looking at. You can always take pictures or use an app to see what they are, what kind of plants they are. Just watch your step while you're walking in case you're videotaping like me. Very nice, beautiful stroll, relaxing in the greens. More greenery, and they also here they have a restaurant where you can enjoy a meal looking over all the mountains and the greens and the trees. It's very, very beautiful here. Something there looks like a butterfly. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's a little flower garden. It looks a lot prettier, I think, in person than in the video. Let me zoom in so you could see how it is. I did not bring my regular mic with me, so it's just talking through the phone right now. I need to keep it with me. Beautiful. Here's another walkway between the trees. And here's just trees, a few bushes, but it's pretty nice. Kind of a reminder of some of the drives that we've had in Michigan before. And Then we saw this guy. He's in a hurry. He's like, come on, I need to go. And he's taking these people's pictures. And this one is trying to fix her hair. But look what they're looking at over here. It's a beautiful view here. I know it's cloudy. If it wasn't cloudy, you'll see the end of the mountains there. And it's all the way here. Overlooking where we were earlier. And there's that butterfly. Those big trees. The flowers. Beautiful, relaxing, and enjoyable work. And if you are staying in the same area we've stayed at, I recommend to get breakfast at a place called White Spot. The food was great, the selection, the freshness, we really enjoyed it. The next day we went to Grouse Mountain National Park. It was about an hour drive, but definitely it was worth it. Yes, it was rainy and cloudy, but we were ready. We had umbrellas, we had the right jackets on, and it wasn't very cool, but everything was nice. They had at the park like a PG-13 X show. Plus they would have had a bird show, but it was canceled because of the rain and the fog. And you're going to see later the best part of being there is seeing a couple of grizzlies right next to you.
Will takes the win for the underhand shot. Willie, come on, at the target. All right, that's going to be a tour to start.
That's not a tour, that's an outside.
Woo! Start. So 2-4, moving into the second round. What was that? Are you allergic to losing? Aw, Willie, I'm so sorry about that. Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, just cleaning up.
Well, you've never cleaned up before.
He's never had allergies before.
Yeah, fair enough. All right, that's another 4. That's 8. Now, unfortunately, I don't think you're going to catch him, Willie, but try your best.
Use all your little muscles, buddy.
That is a 4. It brings you to 6. Unfortunately, that's your last throw, and you're not going to do it. But, Johnny, can you give us a bullseye?
Sure.
That's a 4. Not quite a bullseye, but you still take the win for the axe throw. 1, 2.
Hold it.
Are you okay?
Yep. I think I hurt my back.
You hurt your back? Is there anything I can do?
Can I just straighten up real quick?
Okay, sounds good, and then we'll get started, okay?
Thank you.
What? Hang on.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Uh-huh, sure. Come on, put it back.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Well, no, not like that. Really? What are you doing?
Idling.
Idling.
We saw what he did.
Yeah, I saw what you both did. You're both cheaters. All right, lumberjacks. Ready? 1, 2, go. All right, everybody, here we go with the crosscut saws. We're going to be making our way through these blocks now. Got nice, long broad strokes with these crosscut saws going through these blocks. Looking like a pretty even race, but we're going to see whose puck drops first. Look at I'm going to say Johnny takes the win by Johnny, what are you going to carve for us?
You guys saw the cool carvings when you were walking in here, right? The bear and the eagle and all that. Pretty good, right? Yeah, I didn't do those. But I'll tell you what, I was on my way to work this morning on the side of the road. I saw, go, you can start the time. I'll carve the bunny. When I finish, I'll put the saw down. I'll throw my hands in the air and you can shout out the time, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. I'm just going to warm up. All right, good to go.
I'd say, all right. Lumberjack, ready? Timer, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, go.
What'd I get? 4.53 seconds. I crushed the record. It goes wild. Call the press. Stop the media. There's so many people I'd like to thank for making this possible. You know, first off, last night, my timer. What? She made cookies.
All right, Johnny, where's the rabbit?
What do you mean? It's right there.
Yeah, I don't see a rabbit.
Come on, you got the nose right there, right? Couple of eyes, the ears. Come on, doing, doing, doing. It's a bunny.
Where'd you ever see a rabbit that looked like that before?
I told you, I was on my way to work, and there it was on the road, flat. Doing, doing, and then flat, right?
Johnny, that's terrible.
That's nature.
No, come
Everything a rabbit needs. It's got an ear, it's got 2 eyes, a nose, and a big rabbit smile. What else does a bunny need?
Now we will be seeing the Grizzlies, Grinder, and Kula.
Yeah.
There's a bear right there. A grizzly. Yep, you see, I could see his nose too. Do you guys see him?
He's in
He's right there.
Oh, it's
You
big.
could see the movements.
Wow. Oh my
He's huge.
Oh, he's huge. They're big.
There he is. He's eating something.
Where's he go?
Yeah, you'll see him down here.
Yeah.
I think independent movements. I was wondering.
Yeah, there are 2 of them. I want to go inside here and read about.
There's the grizzly again. Thing is this the same one or the other one that was moving? Same one, yeah. Yeah, I could tell from his nose. He's taking a nap.
You gotta get him.
He's looking straight at us, see? Yeah. There he is, see? Taking a nap. It's nap time. It's afternoon nap, after lunch. Oh, look, oh, he's scratching his head. Oh, yeah. He's crossing his legs. Here, here's the elevator. I know if he'll move again. Even though it's raining.
Can you guys see it? The fur? No. No? So there's this cliff, the rocks, and then there's a strip of greenery, and then there's this little tree in the middle. He is just below that little tree. There's like a brown mound below that little tree. So above the green and at the bottom of the little tree.
You want to come and see from here, then you could see where.
He's zoomed in.
Oh, that's very pretty.
It's the brown part that you see on the darker side.
Like he has more fur around his bottom side.
you see how well he camouflages.
We're down on Granville Island here by Vancouver. We see these two guys drinking water off the cars. At the end of the day, we went down to the ship port to see where we would be taking our luggage, where we would need to go. We were thinking to take the metro from the airport to the shipyard, which there is, but we have more luggage. We opted for the taxi. It was a lot worth it. Dropped us off right where we are dropping off our luggage, and it was great. There are other places to visit in Vancouver, like Stanley Park and the Botanic Gardens, and we just didn't have the time. But we had a great time, and hope you enjoyed a little bit of Vancouver and the Richmond area there. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me for more to see a little bit more about the Alaskan cruise, and see you on the ship.